Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Greenway Mortgage account. To log in and manage your mortgage account for Greenway, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box at the top, type in app.greenwaymortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will now take you to this page from where you can apply for Greenway Mortgage by filling in your details. If you've already applied for your mortgage and you'd like to access it to manage it online, then go to the top right corner and click on the login button. Now, in order to view, track and close your loans, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. Type in your email address in the email tab and go to the password field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in your email and password correct, click on the login button and you will then be able to log into your Greenway Mortgage account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. Thanks for watching.